so we're busy with the deployment of the ianvs project at Terts now, and I'm going to show you step by step how we put the lighting element and then a sensor element in this particular room where we will be holding the user tests from the day after tomorrow. So the first step is that I take a lamp. And on the lamp I will put some glue over here because they have to go to the wall over there and connect it together. This is the glue station. I have to make sure that the in is at the left. So I put over here, I put the glue. So it's a Velcro tape actually. So I cut 4 pieces out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, okay. And then I put them here to the sides. So I peel off and put it over here. You see, that's like a bit of a Velcro thing. So I peel off, put it over here, take the counterpart, put it over, and I leave the protection on for removing it later on. So we've got 2 wires to do. This is the clock wire, so that's very simple. It just screws together. I put it in the hole of the lamp and I'm ready for the next step now, like this. So this is the tricky step. So I'm going to take this one, put it in here. That's a bit, the other way around. Put it in here. That's it. I removed the other adhesive. Then shift in again, put on the glue. So the only thing I have to do now is slide the covers in. This is the end of the thing, so that will be a bit more difficult. There we go. This is the cover for that one. Like this. So shifting in the cover, put it back in position again. This is not nice. Put it back in position again. And there we go. And put this one. And we're done. So now it's testing time. We're done this array. So what the idea now is that we plug it in. And then we have to wait a bit until the lights go on. There they go. And they all follow nicely to the end. So that means that I have all the lamps connected and can be pursuing the next step. Now it's time for a sensor that we put at the end of the road there. It's the same procedure. So what we'll do is we will have to put the glue over here, connect the wires, put it in, and that's it. Off we go again with the same thing. I have to make sure that I have the right, so it fits this way in. So I have to provide this side. Put it here. 1, 2, I put the Velcro over and the sensor is ready for deployment. So we're now at the end, so maybe it's now wise to put the cover first, otherwise there will be no room to put it in. Like this. I connect the clock wire. I connect the power supply again, like this. And we're done. Just work out the cables a bit. And we're done.